Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the inspiring story of a young woman who's not just transforming her own life, but also inspiring thousands around the world, Makayla Herbert, better known as @Herbert_Makayla on Instagram. In a world flooded with social media voices, how does someone stand out? How does she turn passion into influence? And what can we all learn from her journey? Grab a snack, get comfortable. Let's talk about how Makayla is forging her path in the digital age of fitness and authenticity. Makayla Herbert isn't just about looking good, although, let's be honest, she definitely does. She's about showing up every day, working hard, and sharing that journey with honesty and relatability. She started like many of us, with a desire to feel stronger, healthier, and more confident. But what makes her stand out is her ability to connect. She's not just posting polished images and perfect routines. She's sharing the real behind the scenes. The sweat, the struggles, the victories, and the moments of doubt. Her Instagram, @Herbert_Makayla, is like a window into her world. It's a space where she offers more than just pretty pictures. She's giving practical advice, showing her workouts step by step, and talking about what fuels her. You see, Makayla's approach is all about balance. She shares what she eats in a day, tips for meal prepping, and how she stays hydrated. She emphasizes that fitness isn't about deprivation or quick fixes. It's about consistency, patience, and loving yourself enough to keep going. And her content isn't just about the physical, it's about mental strength too. She's open about overcoming plateaus, staying disciplined, and embracing body positivity. Her workout videos are like having a personal trainer right there with you. Clear, detailed, and encouraging. Whether she's focusing on strength, hypertrophy, or cardio, her goal is to make fitness accessible. She explains why she does certain exercises, what to watch out for, and how to push yourself without injury. It's this transparency that builds trust. Followers see her not just as an influencer, but as someone who genuinely cares about their progress. Of course, a big part of her influence comes from her visual content, stunning photos that show her dedication and her confidence. These images open doors to brand collaborations and sponsorships, but Makayla understands that visual appeal alone isn't enough. She mixes polished shots with behind-the-scenes moments, the messy workouts, the early mornings, the moments of vulnerability. She shares her struggles, her setbacks, and her wins. That blend of aspirational and relatable keeps her followers feeling connected and inspired. What really sets Makayla apart is her genuine engagement. She makes it a point to talk directly with her community. Whether it's replying to comments, hosting Q&A sessions, or sharing stories of followers trying her workouts, she creates a sense of belonging. Fitness can sometimes feel isolating, a journey you do alone. But her page is a reminder that you're part of a community, cheering each other on. That support system is powerful and keeps people coming back every day. As her following grows, Makayla's influence becomes a valuable asset for brands. She's smart about choosing partnerships that align with her values, promoting products, apparel, and programs she genuinely believes in. And here's the thing, her authenticity isn't just about her content. It's about how she integrates these collaborations seamlessly, so her followers trust her recommendations. It's a fine balance, but one she's mastered. But let's be real, being an influencer isn't all glam. Makayla faces the same struggles many of us do, the pressure to look a certain way, the constant need to create content, and the judgment that can come with sharing your life online. It takes resilience. She talks openly about managing mental health, setting boundaries, and staying true to herself. That honesty is what makes her truly inspiring. And her story is far from over. Makayla's future holds exciting possibilities, maybe her own fitness program, a line of apparel, or even a podcast where she shares stories and tips that go beyond what you see online. What's clear is that her foundation is built on authenticity, knowledge, and genuine connection. That's what will keep her relevant in a fast-changing industry. So, What can we learn from Makayla Herbert? That real influence isn't just about looks. It's about showing up, being authentic, and lifting others as you climb. It's about the power of consistency, community, and passion. In a world where trends fade quickly, her commitment to her values and her followers is what makes her stand out. If you found her story inspiring, be sure to hit that subscribe button, follow her journey at Herbert_Makayla, and remember, your best self is a daily effort. Keep pushing, stay authentic, and never underestimate the power of consistency. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.